We as Malaysians loves eating burger. We eat burgers during lunch, dinner, and even late night for supper. There is no doubt that we could find burger stalls in any corner of our neighborhood, literally. Without further ado, let us present to you Burger Baek, located at Jalan PJS 8/14, Bandar Sunway. It opens from 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. and is best known for their Chicken Crispy Burger. Among the variety of burgers and side dishes, there is no doubt that their bestseller is the Crispy Chicken Burger. They use fresh chicken meat dipped with special blend batter and deep fried, cooked to perfection. And they are cooked to order to retain the freshness and crispiness. As you can see, it's a whole piece of deep-fried crispy chicken, served with fresh lettuce topped with their special sauce. After with just a few bites, I can say that the chicken is crispy, tender, and juicy. The sauce goes well with the whole burger. And here is our verdict. For the price, we give it 3 stars because it is definitely a value for money. For the patty, another 3 stars for the chicken tastes super crispy and tender. As for the condiments, the sauce is nice and goes well with the whole burger, so another 3 stars. Overall, I recommend to try, especially those who like chicken burgers. Thanks for watching! Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting video clips.